This is the second video in the stoichiometry series. We're going to be converting from moles to grams in this video. Now, the question we have says how many grams are there in 7.5 moles of NaOH, or sodium hydroxide? The first step, like we said in the notes, identify what you're looking for. In this question it says how many grams. So we're going to say question mark grams. The second step was to identify what you have, and in this case it gives us 7.5 moles of NaOH. So we're going to say 7.5 moles of NaOH. Draw a railroad track out. Draw the first railroad tie and put the first number over 1. Now we need our conversion factor, and for this we have to calculate the molar mass, which is exactly what we did in the first video. NaOH is simple because there's just one atom of all three elements. So we're going to start with sodium at 22.990. Then we have oxygen, 15.999. And finally, hydrogen at 1.008. Now we just take our calculator, 22.990 plus 15.999 plus 1.008 gives us a total of 39.997 grams per mole. And remember, we can write that 39.997 grams over 1 mole, which is what we're going to have to do on our railroad to calculate this conversion. Now, we want to get grams, so moles, they got to go. You need to cancel out moles. So for moles to cancel out, it needs to be on the bottom on your conversion side. So we're going to say 1 mole is equal to 39.997 grams. Now we have our conversion factor plugged in. The next step was to cancel out your units. Moles, and technically that's moles of NaOH. We're going to cancel that and cancel it up here. Now the bottom, when we multiply across, is strictly 1 times 1, and we're going to ignore that. And then just multiply straight across the top to find your total grams. 39.997 times 7.5 gives us a grand total of 299.9775 grams. In our question, we were given 7.5 moles, and we calculated 39.997. This is 3 decimal points. This is 1. You take your lowest, which is 1. We're going to round this to 1 decimal point. Put our underline here. That 7 is going to make the 9 go up, which gives us 300.0 grams of NaOH. That's the second video. Tune in for the next one on how to go from grams to moles.